Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome. Bonjour tout le monde. I am Céline. Today, we will learn how to introduce yourself in French. It is very easy. Good. Now, to say my name is Céline, I say je m'appelle Céline. Je m'appelle Céline. Let's break that down. Je means I. M'appelle is from the verb s'appeler, which means to be called. So je m'appelle literally means I call myself. So, to introduce yourself, you say je m'appelle, and then your name. For example, if your name is John, you would say je m'appelle John. Let's practice. If your name is Sarah, how do you say my name is Sarah in French? Yes. Very good. Je m'appelle Sarah. If your name is David, how do you say my name is David? Excellent. Je m'appelle David. Now, what if you want to ask someone their name? You can say, comment vous appelez-vous? This is a formal way to ask. Comment vous appelez-vous? Let's try to use it. Imagine I am asking you your name. I say, bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? And you would answer, je m'appelle, and your name. There is also an informal way to ask someone's name, which you might use with friends. It is, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? So, we have bonjour, which means hello. We have je m'appelle, your name, which means my name is your name. And we have comment vous appelez-vous, formal, or comment tu t'appelles, informal, to ask, what is your name? Let's do a quick practice. I will ask you your name using the formal way. Bonjour, comment vous appelez-vous? And you answer, je m'appelle, your name. Now imagine you are meeting a friend. You would use the informal way. Salut, comment tu t'appelles? Salut means hi, it's informal. And you answer je m'appelle, your name. So far, we have learned greetings and how to say our name. Bonjour, hello, salut, hi, je m'appelle your name. My name is your name. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Formal. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Informal. Now, let's learn how to say nice to meet you. In French, we say enchanté. Enchanté. This is a very common phrase when you meet someone for the first time. So, a full introduction could be, bonjour, je m'appelle Céline, enchanté. Hello, my name is Céline, nice to meet you. Let's practice this. First, say hello, bonjour, then say your name. Je m'appelle, your name. Finally, say nice to meet you, enchanté. Try it all together. Bonjour, je m'appelle, your name, enchanté. Imagine you are meeting me. I say, bonjour, je m'appelle Céline. How would you respond? You would say, bonjour, je m'appelle, your name, enchanté. Very good. Now, let's learn how to ask, and you, after you introduce yourself. If you are speaking formally, you say, et vous? Et vous. If you are speaking informally, you say, et toi? Et toi? So, you could say, bonjour, je m'appelle Céline. Et vous? This means, hello, my name is Céline. And you? Or informally, salut, je m'appelle Céline. Et toi? This means, hi, my name is Céline. And you? Let's practice this. I will say my name and ask yours. Bonjour, je m'appelle Céline. Et vous? You should answer, je m'appelle, your name. Excellent. Now let's try the informal version. Salut, je m'appelle Céline. Et toi? You should answer, je m'appelle, your name. Now, what if you want to add nice to meet you after they tell you their name? You can say enchanté, enchanté. So the conversation flows like this. Personne A. Bonjour, je m'appelle Céline. Et vous? Personne B. Bonjour, je m'appelle, your name. Enchanté. Let's try this. I will be person A. Bonjour, je m'appelle Céline. Et vous? And you say, bonjour, je m'appelle, your name. Enchanté. Perfect. Let's review the key phrases we've learned today. Bonjour, hello, general greeting used during the day. Salut, hi, informal greeting. Je m'appelle, your name. My name is your name. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Formal. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Informal. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Et vous? And you? Formal. Et toi? And you? informal. Let's do a small role play. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time in a formal setting. You. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. The other person. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marc. Et vous? You. Je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. Try that. I will be the other person's. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marc. Et vous? You should say, je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. Good job. Now let's try an informal setting, like meeting a friend of a friend. You. Salut. Je m'appelle. Your name. Et toi? The other person. Salut. Je m'appelle Sophie. Enchanté. You. Enchanté. Let's try this. I will be the other person. Salut. Je m'appelle Sophie. Enchanté. You should say enchanté. Wonderful. You are already introducing yourself in French. Let's practice saying your name one more time. Je m'appelle. Your name. And saying, nice to meet you. Enchanté. Let's put it all together in a simple introduction. Bonjour. Je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. Try it. Now let's add asking the other person's name. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Céline. Et vous? Your turn to introduce yourself and ask back. Je m'appelle. Your name. Et vous? Excellent. We have covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap. To say hello, you can use bonjour or salut. To say your name, you say je m'appelle. Your name. To ask someone's name, you can use comment vous appelez-vous, formal, or comment tu t'appelles, informal. To say nice to meet you, you say enchanté. To ask and you say êtes-vous, formal, or et toi, informal. Let's do a final practice. I will start the conversation. Bonjour, je m'appelle Céline, comment vous appelez-vous? You should say, je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. And then you can ask me back, et vous? And I would say, je m'appelle Céline. Enchanté. This is a very basic introduction, but it's the foundation for speaking French. Practice these phrases every day. Say them out loud. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Remember, bonjour, je m'appelle. Your name. Enchanté. And if you want to ask back, et vous? Formal. Et toi? Informal. You have done very well today. Congratulations on your finishing your French lesson. We will continue learning more.